Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a Temu haul, and some of these items are not nail items, so I wanted to share everything with you guys so you can see all the exciting things you can get from Temu. Looks like somebody already tried to open it here. Uh-oh. Jeez. Crushed in the box here. Huh. Some wipes. No free nail wipes. Why did they do that? Oh, Midnight, leave my cat alone. Some other stuff here. So we have a keyboard here. It's a wireless keyboard. It says mechanical, but I don't know if it's mechanical or not. And it's got a wireless mouse with it. I'm going to show you better here in a minute because I didn't realize I wasn't on the screen completely. Some more stuff to check out here. Oh look, it's the same color and it's smushed. I hope it unsmushes. Oh, and some of the bristles are already falling out of it. Some of those. Nice. And I'm missing a pack of these. Let's go in the bag. I'm all over the place here. This is not like my usual thing. Blame Elizabeth. She should have been in here helping me. Look, I got full-size stickers I can fit in here now. Yay. So I will be going through all my stickers and getting the full-size ones in here. So yeah, I'm missing, hopefully it's in this package, because there they are, they're right here. The gold and silver. Rose gold and silver and gold and silver. They're the same size, they're just backwards, I think. I don't know, I think these might be a little bit bigger. I don't know. And then I got some foils. Very tiny sheets. We got some boats. Some cherry blossoms. Yeah, like some koi and some roses. Some birds. Okay, so I'm back. I had a phone call. And then, so we had the like lilies and bamboo flowers. And we got some more like cherry blossoms and tree branches and such. And then we got some birds, some letters, some more birds, some Chinese letters, some more branches and moons. And then some more fish, cherry blossoms, and a tiger. You got a crane over here and a peacock or pheasant or something. And then, oh yeah, I already showed you those. And we got their zodiac charms. It didn't say on there, but yeah, the different zodiac symbols there. Then I got some more stickers. It's like Nemo. You got like some sharks and Dory, and then you got a random flounder there. And you got little baby Dory. Little baby Dory. Those are cute. And then we got these didn't come with very much, huh? There's just some little flowers and petals and some leaves. And so I could do the aquarium nails. They came with these bottles, but I got these syringes. And then it comes with all of these tips. These different size tips. So I can screw them on and then fill up the nail with whatever. There's all kinds of these syringes. There's different sizes. And then, oh, okay, that's factory. But like, you got this, then the lid. So if like I start, because I kind of wanted to start to do lashes. And you need like this little squeezy bottle to like squeeze water and clean people's eyelashes with. So don't worry, my hands are clean. I washed my hands before I did this. And then I got another package here. I don't, oh, I already did took out my name. I'll lift you up so you can get the full view. Oh, I think this is my lamp. Huh, it didn't come in a box. It's weird. It came all like in this foam. That's kind of cool. I deflated it. So this is supposed to be cordless. Don't know how long the charge lasts. And, oop, there's a bug. No. They lied. In the thing, it showed the metal bottom. It's not got a metal bottom. The bottom does detach. I can put some aluminum foil down on there. It's not that big of a deal, but does this even, oh, it does turn on. Oh, look. The UV, I swear, attracts flies. Is it automatic? Oh, but that's kind of, and it's warm. I can feel it already. Like, yeah, it's warm. It came already charged, but I'm gonna, yeah, I guess I'll just put aluminum down at the bottom. It's not that big of a deal. I've seen people do it. It's not that big of a deal. It's not like it was like $100, but it's, oops. It's 120 watts. Does it automatic? Yeah, okay. It's automatically 120. It doesn't say. How many watts it is on the lamp itself. Like, you'd think it would. I don't know. I'm kind of curious. Probably shouldn't be doing this with all my polishes sitting here, but I was kind of curious how many times you can use it before it dies. Yeah, that's all I got.
That's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you like this video and comment down below. And for more content, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.